Look at my fingers! What the fuck was my fingers doing?
Fucking Christ! I can't breathe.
Oh god! What the fuck happened? Why did he say it?
How's it going, man? How you doing?
Are you ready?
Your fucking face is sticking through the top of it. Oh shit! Oh shit! We flying! We flying! Oh my god! Okay, Delirious fucking sucks at flying.
How did you become a space ranger?
All right.
Holy shit! Oh my god, your fat ass got launched. Holy shit! All right, where are you? You ain't gonna be doing nothing productive with that. You gonna spread my insides out, start a fire.
Jeez, that's fun.
This has been the most elaborate, misleading clue in the history of
Is he not a gas
He
canister?
is not a gas can at all. Not even close.
Hey, but you can still fill me up.
You can still fill him up.
I'm an alligator. You can fill up alligators real good. Close that second fridge door, you dumb bitch. The milk's gonna get warm. Ain't nobody like warm milk. I can't do that voice.
Corpse launch.
Wait, don't open it, don't open it, don't open the box. Wildcat, do an X-Files, like, commentary. You ready?
Yeah. On this episode of the X-Files. Dude, I we get the ring on at least. You gotta give me a little bit more prep time for it. I'll do it again, but okay, it's going fine. It's going great, guys. Everything's good. Oh shit! No, don't worry. We're fine. We're fine. We are more than safe.
I'm not.
We are more than safe.
7 seconds, boys.
Shoot your bomb in there. Oh.
We're good. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Yeah!
What were they?
You like those tunes?
Oh, yeah.
You like the
I
music?
love it.
Now check this
Yeah.
shit out. I got some fucking bitchin' hydraulics. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
In 3, 2, 1. Hold on.
Yeah!
Yeah!
That was awesome.
Fucking sick, dude! Woo! No, I didn't get in the theater again!
You dumbass. You idiot.
God, I'm so fucking dumb!
That laugh.
Fuck my life! It'd be funny if like I got really laughing. That's all I could do. Just
I can't so fuck to that You're laughing.
I can't breathe, dude. I just fucking Patrick Starfished and then Evan like did a front flip. He's
flying.
Come on, get me. Come on, do me. Get low. Oh. Droid fucking flew. Nalgla's here too.
Everyone's in here, boys. Everyone was in here, boys.
I just
Damn it.
fucked you so hard.
Come on, man up. Man up. Somebody man up.
Okay, I got this.
The man. Who's the man?
God damn it.
That jump.
That was beautiful.
You went like an onion ring.
What? What does that mean?
Never seen an onion ring?
I've never seen an onion ring jump.
Oh, he went like the shape of an onion ring.
He went the shape of an onion ring? You mean a circle?
What is that?
Distraction!
I'm floating in the shit.
Distraction unsuccessful.
Holy fuck, you exploded, dude. Distraction! Boom! Oh! Okay, there you go. You did it. You did it. You made it in the middle.
Got it.
Just be fucking quiet.
Why are you telling him to be quiet?
I hate books.
Just shut his damn mouth.
Did you really leave, Tyler?
What the fuck was that? What was that sound?
Oh my god! That was the
Okay,
sound of me
still down
shitting
here.
myself,
Still down
dude.
here. Boo. Boo.
Best noise ever.
He's a book. He's down here. I don't know where the fuck he went.
Oh my god.
He's here.
He's silent!
There he is.
Where is he? What the fuck is going on?
Oh my fucking Christ! Dude, I can't. Oh my god. Oh my god.
There he is.
No. He is not inside.
I'm just waiting for an Uber again.
No, I would suggest you. I mean.
I don't need
think,
to.
I think Brock knows, dude. He knows. He is fucking with you.
No
What the fuck just happened, dude? Okay.
What?
Wait.
Oh
Wait, what?
my god.
Wait,
What is happening?
Wait, what? He said waiting for an Uber.
All right, boys.
I almost got a hole in one.
Are you fucking kidding
I
me?
got a 2. I kicked off the wall straight down towards the hole. That was amazing, dude. My head hurts from screaming.
I got him. Shoot him behind me. Shoot behind me.
Got him. That snort.
I got him. I tried to recreate it. I didn't mean I knifed him.
Oh, way to go.
What the heck?
Where the fuck are you guys?
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
My lungs don't work. yeah, you better go back inside, you fucking idiot.
Why don't you jump?
I'll jump. I'll jump
There,
all day.
I'm seated.
Boom. He jumped.
I fucking jump.
Do it again. Do it again.
Jump, Scotty, jump, bitch.
Jump.
Jump, Scotty, jump.
Jump.
Nice jump.
Jump, Scotty,
that was
jump.
nice. That was nice.
I don't see you guys.
Oh man, jump.
He's still in this room.
How do you know?
I saw his name somewhere. Is he the couch?
No, there's no way.
What? Got him. There he is. You got the pot.
What the fuck?
Look at that rolling
saw
jar
his
of
name.
pickles. Look at that rolling jar of pickles right there. You
saw it?
Oh man, do you like my my costume, my Halloween costume?
Yeah.
Oh, you're your YouTube channel for Halloween. Oh, got him. I said his YouTube channel was Dumpster.
And you, look at you, your YouTube channel.
Look at me. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to China. You bitch! You sold me out so fast.
How did I go through you?
Why wouldn't you just make it? Oh, Scotty!
Because clearly, that's not possible.
Kobe.
There you go.
God damn it, Smitty! I give up. There we go. There we
My
go.
boy, I'm Smitty. Oh my God!
Come on, Scott.
Where are you going?
Oh, there we go. Okay, coming back again.
We can't make it without you. Come on.
Scotty, you can make.
Okay.
Fucking bitch. Woody pulled a gun on me. That laugh.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, shit. I hope this ice wall thing kills you.
You're gonna make me go pee. I'm gonna take off.
What is going on?
I'm about to pee.
What you got there, buddy? Oh shit! He did that right in your face, dude.
You got a mortar?
I hope it kills me. Or it's.
Where did he go? Where the fuck did he go?
Well, it didn't kill me, but it killed him.
Where did he go?
Guys, they're inside the truck.
Evan, could you stop?
Guys, I need you all here.
We're gonna die.
No, over here.
We're gonna fucking die.
They're in here.
Stop, Evan!
As soon as,
Over.
listen. As soon as we open the door, they all shoot a grenade.
Noob tube at the
Grenade.
same time.
Noob tube! Noob tube!
Go, baby! And then fucking Anthony the forklift just chilling there.